Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are at Global Village Dubai to explore new attractions of season 26. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more upcoming entertaining videos. Also, you can check out other videos on my channel linked in the description. I will give the timeline in the description below. So if you like to watch any specific section, you can directly jump onto it. So let's get started. At the entrance, we have different shops. The one appeals me a lot is this Iraqi bazaar. They have loads of amazing decorative pieces. Gift items, souvenirs, also handmade carpets, and very eye-catching portraits. As I entered into the Turkey pavilion, I heard some familiar chanting, so I got distracted. It's the post-corona version of Ardagh Al Ghazi, selling perfumes. A lot of mouth-watering food street options in Pakistan Pavilion. You must try. Here we have all new Pista Street for foodies. With ample variety to satisfy your hunger. Next in list is Harbour Force Stunt Show. Another food street named Railway Market. This is inspired by Thailand's world famous umbrella market. This new railway market is really a dessert lover's paradise. Before, the floating market was here, which they have moved near to the entrance. The famous coffee guy with giant kettle on the back serving fresh coffee. Here is the all new Iraqi pavilion. From front, it is more like the Iranian pavilion.
اشوفك حلو يدلني عيوب الدنيا كلها واعرف ما تستاهل بس قلبي جبرني ترف الله على قلبي ما يخليني اعوفك يوم ما اشوفك حلو يدلني عيوب الدنيا كلها
Sheikh Saab is killing on stage. The crowd is very excited. Here comes my personal favorite, the Africa Pavilion. Combination of bright colors with amazing architecture depicts the rich and deep heritage of Africa continent. Here we are at New Dragon Lake, the new fire fountain show featuring a 20-meter long fire-breathing dragon. Unfortunately, we missed it. Alright viewers, that's all from new season of Global Village. I'll catch you in next video with another interesting tour. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Like the video if you like it. Do not forget to leave your feedback in comments. Your participation is my appreciation. Goodbye, or how the Spanish says, adios amigo.